Hello viewer, welcome to Samuel Academy. In this video, I will explain how to file withholding tax when you have a withholding tax certificate. For you to do that, you need to obtain the withholding tax certificate. So what you'll do, open iTax and log in. After you have logged in, you'll get the following page. On that page, we have several tabs. We have a tab for home. We have a tab for registration, tab for returns, and so on. We also have a tab for certificates. This is the tab that we're going to use. So you click on certificates here. When you click on this tab, certificates, you will find the following items under certificates. Alright, we have those items, and the first item there is to print withholding certificate. So you click on that tab, on that first item, you print withholding certificate. When you do that, you get that page that appears. Now on this page, we have those blank spaces to be filled with the details. The first one is withholding certificate number, which you fill there. The second one, you fill date of certificate, and the last one, in that place, you fill with the PRN number. Here we have this blank space for withholder PIN, and then the second one below it, you fill with the withholding PIN. Okay, after you have done that, then you click on consult. When you click on consult, your certificate is going to be downloaded. Then you are able to view your certificate and use it. That is how the withholding tax certificate looks like. It has the following details: withholder details, the PIN of withholder, the name of withholder, and the address of withholder. Then it has withholding details, PIN of withholding, name of withholding, and the address of the withholding. Then you have the details of the tax withheld, the nature of transaction, the transaction date, the gross amount of transaction, withholding tax rate, amount of tax withheld. So we have all those details. Now in this certificate, we shall need two details to use. We shall use the gross amount of transaction as well as the amount of tax withheld. So after that, you go to the Excel sheet that you are using to file your returns. In that Excel sheet, you go to section A, part 1, where we have the basic information. So in this page, we have a section, a section here, in which you are asked, do you have any other income apart from employment? So you answer yes. You answer yes. After that, you go to section B, the profit and loss account section. So that's how the section looks like. In that section, in that page, alright, you go to section 1.1, where we have the gross turnover. Alright, so in that row, gross turnover, we have this column for interest. So under interest, in that row, you write the gross amount that you got from the withholding tax certificate. In our case, it was 25,000. So right here, 25,000. And the rest of the spaces in this row, the rest of the columns in this row, you write 0.0, 0.1, 0.0 like that. After that, then we go to the balance sheet, which is in section C. So you go to the balance sheet and you find a place where we have land and buildings. That is section 1.1, land and buildings. And under self, you write 1.0, right? Land and buildings under self 1.0. Now in the same page of the balance sheet, we go to section 6.1. 6.1 is here. That is the proprietor's capital. So under the proprietor's capital, under self, you write also 1.0 in order to balance the sheet. Okay, after you have done that, then we go to the last section of the Excel sheet, that's the tax computation. So you go to tax computation, and on tax computation at section 13.4, right here, you are going to enter the amount of tax withheld. In our case, it was 1,250. So you indicate here the amount of tax withheld, you write it there. After you have done that, then you validate. You validate and complete the process. Then you have filed for your withholding tax returns. Thank you so much. That's the end. If you have enjoyed the video, you can like and subscribe to be able to see more videos and promote this work. Thank you so much.